Welcome to the PureSpiritBeeYard. Come on, I want to show you something. Welcome to the PureSpiritBeeYard. Now we're smoking. There's one more thing I want to do is peek in this other hive and see what they've done to the empty frame that we put in there last week. So let's come over here. This is the Honeybee hive. There's a little bridge comb already on top of the ventilated cover. Pretty big piece right here. Get the bee off it. I'm going to scrape this off. Okay, you want to come over here closer and we can peek inside. These guys are filling up this box really nice. And they're really nice yellow bees. So I'll start on this side. Here's frame number 8, which is totally empty. Next to it, frame number 7. I think this was the frame that we took out. I'm pretty sure it was number 4, which is now number 3. So let's take a look and see what they've done. Here we go. Okay, they're building it out again. This was an empty frame last week, so this is what they did to this frame in 1 week. This frame is pretty heavy. This is frame number 2. This is what we have here. This is the brood nest. Here's larvae. Then they go along a little further in the stage, and here's some cap cells, and it won't be long before bees will be emerging out of there. Same thing on this side. And these combs here are drawn out really fat. These aren't quite as fat. You can even see an indentation where the brood nest is here, how it starts to curve up. This is kind of where the brood nest stops, and the honey starts up this way, and it's so much fatter. So I did see a queen cup in this one last time also, which is not unusual, but to have a queen cell you have to have a queen cup first. So I might want to peek in the second one and just see if they built another cup on the one that I took off of there. Another big piece of wax. She's stuck in that one. So last time the queen was on the second one here, and the queen cup was on number 3, I believe. So we'll take a peek here at number 1 and see what she's done here. Lots of sealed brood, a little bit of honey in this little corner. There's some larvae and pupa and more sealed honey. No queen cups. This is a good frame. Frame number 2. I'm going to pull out frame number 3. This frame is light. There's still plenty going on there. I don't see any queen cups on that frame. It's a good frame. Frame number 4. Frame number 5. Number 6. Something else I'm going to do. I think I've actually already switched these 2 over, but they're still empty here. Maybe I should switch the 3rd one with that one. That's exactly what I'm going to do. Now, what I'm going to do is take the 3rd frame in, and I'm going to rotate it out to the outside. Get these guys building more on these 2 frames here, because this one, it has plenty of stuff going on the outside of it. There we go. And this other side kind of has the same thing. They're already building out here, but I'm going to move this one over too. So we're going to move number 1 this way, and number 2 this way. Let them fill in that whole box really good. Okay, they're starting to build up here. They have a little holding pattern going on outside the hive. So, okay, here's this box. You can get a nice shot of this. This is a really, really good healthy hive here. When I pull out the bottom board, I never find anything. I never find mites or bugs or anything in here. This hive is a really good, happy hive. Just from knowing the queen here, I've known her for the whole year. I'm sure she's in the top box here somewhere. I'm really careful not to squish any bees as I put the box back on. This whole thing looks really good, but I might even switch this frame, which is the empty frame, I'm going to do that. I'm going to switch these two here too. You can come watch this. Okay, I'm going to take the outside frame and move the frame right next to it over one spot. That's this frame. And it has plenty of action going on. So I'll push it to the outside, and I'll take this one nice clean frame and push it here. But they haven't built anything on here, so that way it'll help them start to build on that frame. There's stuff built on both sides of it. I'll line everything back up. This is Allan, and I want to thank you for visiting me in the Pure Spirit Bee Yard today. Be sure to visit my websites, shoppure.com and cyclehappy.com. Subscribe to my videos and follow me on Blogger.